Stop scrolling, besties. If you've been searching for work from home AI training job you can do from anywhere, this company right here is your go-to. Yes, this company called Workada is your go-to AI training company. They hire remote AI trainers worldwide. So if you're interested, watch it and like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm making this video even with my busy schedule just because I got some lovely comments from some of you saying you got AI training jobs from my videos. So it makes me happy. That's why I keep going. I keep bringing more videos even with my busy schedule. Right, this one is from workada.co. That's the website. You want to go there and check them out, okay? Today's video is not going to be fancy. It's going to be straight to the point. Work smart, work remote, flexible remote AI work, your schedule, clear weekly cadence. So let's see how it works. Well, first of all, this is it's a why join Workada. Join the future of AI work. Your feedback trains models used by millions. You work 20 hours per week. Work anywhere, 100% remote with flexible scheduling. 10K plus tasks available. Completed, weekly pay, reliable weekly operations, same day onboarding. So I've seen comments. I've been going through their contributors' comment and I can see this person says I applied Monday morning and got started on platform by Friday. No complicated setup. I was working within 24 hours of signing up. Perfect side role for someone at my level. Real work, my own schedule. How it works: to start remote AI work through a simple guided application process. First, to fill out a quick application with your background and availability. It takes less than 5 minutes. You go through the interview phase. You join a 30-minute video call with their team. They will walk you through the role and answer questions. Then you complete onboarding, get trained on your first project, and you start contributing right away. Okay? So you get to train AI, work remote, and earn your money. You develop expertise in one of the fastest growing fields. The type of jobs you can see here is data learning specialist. So this job is actually active. I saw it from one of the remote job platforms. That's how I was able to find their company. I pay for remote job platforms because I share remote job, daily remote updates on my other channel, the work from home channel. So going through that, I found this data labeling specialist remote contract position. But because that channel is for remote work, I didn't want to take this AI content over there. That's why I'm bringing it to you guys, right? So this is a live job that is currently open. Workada produces high-quality labeled data for advanced technology systems. Their team reviews, categorizes, evaluates, and quality checks digital content so those systems can better understand information and handle real-work tasks. For the full details, what you will do for this job: you will review and label digital content, including text, images, and documents. Every task you complete helps improve how technology interprets information and performs in practical settings. Who they are looking for: detailed-oriented individuals who take quality seriously and can follow detailed instructions consistently. Strong readers and writers with good judgment are a great fit. Prior experience in data labeling, annotation, research, writing, or operations is helpful but not required. As for requirements, you need strong attention to detail, clear written communication skills, reliable internet connection and computer, ability to work independently and meet deadlines, basic familiarity with web-based tools or online forms. What they offer is remote, flexible contract work, clear guidelines and training, performance feedback and opportunities to grow, a mission-driven team focused on accuracy and quality. If you're ready to apply, join a team helping build the data foundation behind better technology. They are also equal opportunity employer. So if you want this job, just click on apply now. It will bring you here. You see on this page, you will see the form where you fill in your profile, your name, email, your country, then your resume. Please make sure you have these skills mentioned. If you don't have them in your CV, go and update your CV. I will not say everything here, okay? I won't say everything here. Check out the requirements. Okay, this should be in your CV. In fact, let me just give you some tips. Check your CV. If it has these requirements, if it doesn't, include these requirements in your CV. There's strong attention to detail, clear written communication skills, reliable internet connection, ability to work independently and meet deadlines, and all these requirements. What else are you going to enter there? Who we are looking for? They're looking for detail-oriented individuals who take quality seriously, and can follow detailed instructions consistently. Find a way to put this as well in your CV. What you will do is review and label digital content, including text, images, and documents. These should be in your experience section. Because if they run your CV through 8 years, it's going to throw it. It will throw it out if your CV does not include what you would do as past experience, who they are looking for, the requirements. If your CV doesn't have this in your skill, your experience, if it doesn't have it, 8 years will throw your CV out. So go update your CV and stop telling me you don't have CV. I see your comments telling me, oh, I don't have CV. How do I start? I don't know how you're going to start. Go and get yourself a CV. All right? That's just all I can tell you. So this is just a live task demo. Which image follows the prompt better? So they gave a prompt here saying, a wide shot of a firefighter in full suit stained turnout gear carrying a small child out of a burning apartment building. Thick swirling charcoal smoke and glowing orange embers fill the air. Fire trucks with flashing blue and red lights are visible in the soft focus background. Which one followed the better prompt? This is going to be my question for you guys. If you have this experience, if you know what you're doing in this prompting, leave in the comments which of these two images follows the better prompt. Drop in the comment. I will attach this image as well on video. So you tell me which of these follows the better prompt. Thank you so much everyone for watching. The link to this platform will be in the description. Do your own due diligence before applying. If they ask for money, please don't pay. You're not supposed to pay to get any job. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe if you're new. If you want a remote job you can do from anywhere, even in Nigeria, check out my second channel called The Work From Home. We are sharing amazing remote jobs over there. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.